Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. I am here to share with you a really fun product. I don't know if you've noticed this, but this is in the current Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. It is located on page 39, and it is, well, let me get you right there. There we are. It is called the Most Wonderful Time Product Medley. I'm going to tell you, I'm a little late to the party in getting this one, but I've been seeing such fabulous creations from other demonstrators and along with our people that design for us that I thought I need to get this. This is a medley of products. If all of you remember, maybe you know, I'm hoping you all remember, back not too long ago, Stampin' Up! Came out with the Everything is Rosy bundle. Well, it's not bundle, it's a product medley. I keep forgetting to call it that. And this had, you know, ribbon, and had everything you need to create a stamp set, dies, even some little copper, what were they calling this? What is this called? Copper. I should have looked at it before I started. No, rose gold, little ink in a jar that you can do all kind of fun things with. Well, actually, if you missed out on this product medley, it's on the clearance rack right now, 15% off. So check that out. And while you're there, don't forget about this fun, Most Wonderful Time product medley. It has an assortment of things. Well, before I, go into reading the description, let's just take a look. I just got it and didn't even have a chance to open it up yet. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to open it, but why not include you when I'm opening it? So it comes in this white box. I actually cut this. It had like a cello wrapping on it. I cut this off and just glued it to the front. Just because for me being a demonstrator, then I'll know what it is if I put it on the shelf. So it comes with a stamp set, Most Wonderful Time. Sorry if there's a glare there. There you go. Beautiful fonts, beautiful trees. Look at all the little candy canes, the presents, different ways. So not just for Christmas or, holiday time. You can use this for birthdays too. It is a photopolymer stamp set. So I know that doesn't really show you much because it's clear, but it's photopolymer. So that means it's easy to stamp with when you're doing the stamping on top because you can see right through. It also comes with the Most Wonderful Time dies. And let's take a look at that. Now I know this should be, okay, there we are. It's at the top. Now, Stampin' Up! Makes their own dies now and embossing folders, so they're really doing a great job with this. So you get to cut and emboss die. So let's take a look at that and see. And again, we're seeing this opening together. Okay, so it looks like we have a beautiful banner for the words. We have for the presents, that's one big die. We have a Christmas tree, and this is the other Christmas tree. So this one, the presents, and then we have a beautiful star and an angel that you can put on top of your tree. So those are really nice. All right, we'll put that aside. Looks like we're also getting a spool of gold tinsel. So you have your tree, you need your tinsel, right? And I can see this is going to be a fumbly night for me because my hands just, they worked. Oh, that's another wrapping on there. They worked hard all day, put in a full day of work, and they're like, now you want us to do more work? Yeah, I'm just trying to get a little start on here. What is on there? They wrap it really well. This is one of the things when I do something live, well, not live, but let me just do a snip there. Okay, there you go. Here we could see a piece of it. It's beautiful tinsel. It's very thin and very fine. It would be beautiful on your trees. Very sparkly. Okay. So, yeah, I want to open this up with you. And nice piece of thick cardstock, not cardstock, chipboard in there too. Okay, so we have some gold stars, which that'll be real pretty on top of your trees as well. So it looks like gold is the focus in this medley. And look at this. Ooh, I can't wait to get into this. All right, here we go. All right, because I know I haven't been doing too many YouTube videos. I've been posting a lot of, doing a lot of live events on my Facebook page and then posting them over here on YouTube. So I figured tomorrow night I'm doing my Facebook Live, which we're going to be focusing on the clearance rack. So if you're not a follower of mine over on Facebook, come on over at Stampin' Sue Creates. Do live Facebooks every Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So look at this beautiful paper. Now it's just plain on the back, but it has that gold metallic. And you get, how many do you get? Look at the beautiful stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like you get 4 of the pieces. And let me measure them for you. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it'll fit the front of a card. So you get those. And then, oh, look at these. Are these stickers? Yes. Look at the beautiful stickers. So you have a sheet of those. And boy, they're really thick. I almost thought that was 2, but it's 1. And look at the deer. Oh, I can't wait to start creating with this. So be sure to follow me over on Facebook. I'll be sharing a lot of ideas. Here's some of the holly. I believe it's holly, right? Stickers and some stars. Oh, look how pretty these are. Some banners and some candy canes. You really get a lot. Ooh, and now is the rest of this paper? Oh, it is. It's designer series paper. Here's just a quick flip through. Look at that. Double-sided. Now this with the deer, it has the gold. Try to get it so you can see. Look at the gold metallic on there. Isn't that beautiful? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. So 8 on one side, it has the deer with the gold, and the other side has that star design. So it could go beyond. Like I said, it doesn't have to just be Christmas. This is real pretty. It has the gold metallic little berries on there. And let's flip it over. We have little bows. Pretty. Ooh, so far this is my favorite. Look at these presents with all that gold metallic. We have 8 of those. So pretty. And on the other side, I think was that the same as that? Yeah, okay. We have the bows again. That's odd. Usually you have something different. But it's the same as the bows on there. Okay, whatever. I'm probably not going to be using that side on this one anyhow. I'm definitely going to be using the presents, so I'll save the bows for the other one. Okay, then we have this beautiful stripe with the gold on it. And on the other side, we have the beautiful green star background. This reminds me of the snowman paper because it kind of has that shading to it, but it's the Coastal Cabana. So that's pretty. And oh, look at the trees. This is really beautiful paper, and the paper is a nice, heavy weight to it. It's not like chintzy like, you know, tissue paper would be or anything like that. Stampin' Up! Always has high quality paper. And looks like we get quite a lot of the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those. And on the other side, cute candy canes. Oh, and oh, look at these candy canes. I love those. There's just something about that gold that just kind of brings it all together. And then we have this beautiful stripe. So let's see what it says here. Stamps, paper, dies, and accessories for creating cards and more. 11-piece photopolymer stamp set. 48 sheets of 6x6 designer series paper, 8 each of 6 double-sided designs, 12 gold foil card fronts, 4 each of 3 designs, 7 sticker sheets, gold/white tinsel trim, 10 yards, 58 adhesive back gold faceted stars, 6-piece most wonderful time dies, and the colors on it are basic black, gold foil, old olive, real red, and white. And look at some of those samples that Stampin' Up! Has created using this. So you can use this for your holiday cards, you can use this for tags, you can use this to create little gift packaging ideas. It really is a beautiful medley of products. Now, here in the U.S., the item number for that is 150705. It is $70, but when you look at, you're getting the stamps, the dies, the papers, the die cuts, the ribbon, the gold stars. I mean, you're really getting a lot for your money, and everything is included. All you need to do is supply the great ways to create with it. So definitely I want you to check it out. And here's where they use that one die with Deck the Halls. That just fits beautifully in there. And I just can't wait to start creating with it. Maybe I will as soon as I finish with this, but be sure to check it out. And again, also don't forget the Everything is Rosy, that Product Medley, which is currently on the clearance rack at 15% discount. Stampin' Up! Had some left in the warehouse, and they wanted to continue to offer that because it is limited time only, along with this Product Medley. It's while supplies last, so if it sells out, it sells out. But get the two of them together, and then you'll qualify for host benefits and get some more free products. So thank you so much for joining me. If you're interested in placing an order for this or any other products, you can go on to my online store at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. I so appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to join me here each and every week during my Facebook Lives and my YouTube videos. If there's anything you need help with as far as stamping related, feel free to reach out to me and ask. And be sure to like, comment, and if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. Then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a super Stampin' Day, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.